so today we're doing a science demo on density, and today we're using water, vegetable oil, about half a teaspoon of salt. It's a good amount for the size jar that I'm using. Some food coloring, which is optional, but just if you're going to use it, make sure you use a color that's different from the vegetable oil. And then a stirring stick, as well as an empty jar. We're going to start off by pouring water into the jar. Just pour, you want to pour about 3/4 of the way up. So that should be good. And then we're going to go ahead and pour the oil in there. And watch carefully as I pour the oil in there, because it goes straight down the water. But if we wait a couple of minutes, you can see that the two liquids are completely separate. And the reason for that is because oil is less dense than water, and density is how packed together things are, and it's also the measurement of the weight of a given volume. Now we're going to add some food coloring to it just to see it better. So we just want to do 1 drop, not too much, because then it'll be hard to see. And if you look closely, the coloring just kind of sticks to the oil, which is why we're going to take our stirring stick. Okay, so after a few stirs, you can see that the food coloring has completely mixed with the water. And it does sink to join the water because it's the same density as the water. So as it calms down, we're going to go ahead and pour the salt in there. And as we all know, salt usually dissolves in water after settling to the bottom. So watch carefully as I pour this in there and observe. Like I said earlier, it does sink to the bottom, but as it goes through that first layer of oil, it attracts some of it, which makes it, because of the salt is in there, it makes it more dense like it would in a regular cup of water.